Hi and welcome. This is Eric, and today we are going to discuss the most common error we encounter in SSIS packages. So you'll see something like cannot convert Unicode to non-Unicode string data types. So this error most of the times when you're dealing with flat files, or maybe you are extracting data from an Excel, or sometimes from one relational database like SQL Server to another, you may encounter this error. And the way we resolve this, we use a data conversion tool, and I'll show you. So let's go to our Visual Studio. So this is the error most of the times you're gonna see. It says cannot convert between Unicode and non-Unicode string, and I'll show you why. So I'm gonna open my package. Again, if you don't know how to do this package, watch my previous video. So this is just a simple package which gets data from an text file, and then it loads the information to the SQL Server. So I'll show you if I can. So if you go here to show advanced editor, you go to output, and then you go to data source. You'll see something like this. I'll show you. So here the output from a text file, you can see it's a string. Okay. And then the destination here, if you right click on it, and if you go to this new output, we see um, this is good. So I think we need to go to I was just checking the mapping here. It looks like we are on this package here. Actually, we are converting. Let me go to edit. And yeah, we were converting employee name to uppercase. So again, if you don't know how to do that, please watch my previous video. But when we come here to data type, you can see it's Unicode string, and we cannot change this data type. But the data type which we are expecting to load in a database, it's just a string. So to resolve this error, we are using this data conversion tool, and it says here converts data from one data type to another. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and disconnect this. I'm gonna add my data conversion tool. I'm gonna connect my package. And again, I'll go ahead and disable this data viewer. Data viewer helps us to troubleshoot the package and see the output and input of data. So again, if you don't know how to enable, how to use it, watch my previous video. So I'm just gonna click OK, and then I'm gonna go into the data conversion task. I'm gonna check employee name new, and I'm gonna change this. So now we're doing data conversion to string. This is what it's um, um, SQL Server interprets to. So we're changing back, and the output now is gonna be copy of employee name underscore new. I'm gonna click OK, and then I'm gonna take it to my destination, and then open my destination to map the new column. So the new column here, it's copy of this is the information, or this is the column which has been converted. So I click OK, and you can see our error disappeared now. So if you execute our package, it should execute successful. So let's see. So I right click and execute. And everything looks good. So thank you very much for watching this video. But today I'll show you guys how to resolve this error, which you may get about the data type. And sometimes you may get like maybe it cannot convert between an integer and a string, maybe a date and a string, and you can utilize that data conversion tool to change the data type to whatever it is, just to match the source and the destination. And let me show you really quick before you go. So if I click here, you're gonna see different kinds of data types. So thank you very much. We'll see you on my next video. Thanks.